Today we're going to do steamed egg. You can make them either as an appetizer or as a dessert. If we were going to do the steamed egg as a dessert, we would use 1/2 cup of milk per egg and 1 tablespoon of sugar per egg. What I'll demonstrate though is the appetizer. We're going to scramble together the egg and some broth, and this is chicken broth, or whatever kind of broth you like. What I like to do is I'm going to take 2 plastic glasses that fit together, mix the egg and the broth like that. These are jumbo eggs, by the way, so you can decide if you want to use smaller eggs. And here is a cup chicken broth. Use your favorite broth, just like that, and so to make sure that there are no bubbles, I'm going to use a strainer. You can use a slotted spoon, a sieve, put that right through it. And we'll do this one here. So if you look at it closely, you can see that the bubbles are staying in the strainer. I've got about 1/2 cup of water in this Dutch oven or deep pot. We're going to improvise a steamer. Get this water steaming on high. Make sure that the steam doesn't condense on the cover and drip down. The way we'll make sure that that doesn't happen is we've got some plastic wrap. Cover that. So if we were doing this as a dessert, we would just simply do the same thing with the milk and the sugar. We'll bring this to a boil for 10 minutes, and then we'll turn it down for 5 minutes, and then we'll shut it off. We can take it out right away, or we can just let it sit and cool off. I've made one already. This one is the dessert. I've boiled it for 10 minutes, and I've turned it down to low for 5 minutes, and I've shut it off. It's probably been off for about 10 minutes. The steamed egg has solidified. I'm going to just sprinkle on some cinnamon. You can kind of see the consistency. Yum. So that's it for now, and we'll see you next time.